In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Steam games cheaper. By the end, you'll know exactly how to time your purchases, use your Steam wishlist for automatic discount alerts, and buy through bundles to cut the price of the games you want. First, wait for Steam sales. On your computer, open Steam and go to the store. When a major sale is live, you'll see large banners across the homepage and a dedicated sale page. The biggest events are the Steam Summer Sale and the Steam Winter Sale, with additional spring and fall sales during the year. You'll also see publisher sales and special events focused on specific series or genres. When a sale is on, click into the event page, browse the categories, and use the search bar to find the exact titles you want. You'll notice the sale price listed next to each game. So if you're watching a screen recording, I'm clicking a game now to open its store page and confirm the discount. From here, you can add it to your cart or return to the event page to compare more options. If a game you want isn't discounted right now, don't worry. Sales come around regularly, and you'll usually see the same titles discounted again in future events. Next, use your wish list. On any game store page, look for the Add to Your Wish List button near the right side and click it. You'll see the heart icon fill, confirming it's been added. This puts all your wanted games in one place and lets Steam notify you when prices drop. To view your wish list, move to the top menu, open your username menu, and click Wishlist. Here, you can sort by price, release date, or discount to focus on the best deals. Now, the key benefit. When a wish-listed game goes on sale, Steam sends you a discount notification, so you don't have to keep checking manually. You'll also see sale badges on the wishlist page itself. If you're following along on screen, I'm scrolling through a wishlist and pointing out the green discount tags. When you see a discount you like, click the game, review the sale price on the store page, and add it to your cart. This simple step ensures you never miss a price drop on the titles you care about. Now, buy during bundles. Bundles are packages that include multiple games or editions together, usually at a lower price per game. On the store, search for a series or publisher, then look for items labeled Bundle on the results page or on a game's store page. Click the bundle to open its page, and review everything included. You'll typically see the original combined price and the bundle price side by side, so you can see how much you're saving. Bundles often run between 50 and 90% off, which can be a much better deal than buying individually. If you already own some items in the bundle, Steam usually adjusts the price so you only pay for what you don't have. To avoid paying twice, scroll through the bundle contents and check the ownership indicators. From here, choose Add to Cart to lock in the bundle price during the sale window. If you're comparing options, you can go back and look at other bundles from the same publisher or series until you find the best value. At this point, you've seen the 3 reliable ways to get Steam games cheaper. Use regular Steam sales like the summer, winter, spring, and fall events. Keep your wish list updated so you receive discount notifications automatically, and target bundles when you want multiple games for a lower combined price. When you combine these steps, you buy at the best times. You never miss a discount on the games you want, and you maximize savings with bundle pricing. That's it. The setup is complete, and you can now get Steam games cheaper using sales, wish lists, and bundles. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.